Hello friends, I am KP Singh, Nutrition and Wellness Advisor. Today I would like to share in importance of garlic in our daily diet. Garlic is commonly used in our kitchen for various food preparations and it is well known for its health benefits also. Its medicinal properties are well explained in Ayurveda. It is good for our heart health, it improves our immunity. It has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties also. So it is used for curing various skin diseases also. Today I would like to focus on its certain property which is related to our heart health. How garlic is going to help us for maintaining our heart health, let us see today. Actually, garlic has an active ingredient known as allicin. Allicin is the main substance found in garlic which is responsible for supporting our heart health. How allicin works in our body, let us see today. Basically, allicin has three functions in our body. First function of allicin is that it reduces the LDL cholesterol, means bad cholesterol, and also it prevents depositing of bad cholesterol in our arteries. So in this way, it supports our heart health against challenges of bad cholesterol. Second function of allicin is that it maintains the elastic nature of our blood vessels, means it prevents hardening of our arteries and veins. So it controls the blood pressure to normal level, means it is helpful for in high BP condition also. So in this way also garlic supports our heart health against challenges of tiredness of heart muscles due to high BP. Third function of garlic or allicin which is found in garlic is that it works as a natural blood thinner. So by acting as a natural blood thinner, it maintains our blood circulation to optimum level and it improves our blood circulation and prevents the chances of blood clotting. Because we know that blood clotting is a very dangerous condition in our body, because it is always most unpredictable condition. Nobody can say well in advance when and in which part of your body it is going to happen. So it remains always emergency condition. So in this way, the garlic also helps our heart against challenges of blood clotting. So now we can summarize that there are three basic benefits taking garlic in our daily diet. First, it controls LDL cholesterol. Second, it controls high BP. Third, it prevents the chances of blood clotting. But all these benefits, how we can get from garlic, that depends upon how we are consuming it and in how much quantity we are able to take allicin from garlic. So generally we have seen in our kitchen we are overcooking it or we are frying it in oil. So in both the cases, due to high temperature, allicin is destroyed and there is no use of taking garlic in this way for getting heart benefits. So what is the next alternative? We should go for raw garlic. Of course, taking raw garlic is always challenging for many people because of its pungent smell and taste. So we can go for garlic tablet, and garlic tablet also some people are hesitant taking garlic tablet due to its peculiar smell. So I would like to suggest you should go for Nuclide garlic tablet, which is the best because it has three special features. First, it provides the required amount of allicin per tablet. Second, it has enteric coating, so it doesn't get dissolved in your stomach but it gets released in your intestine, so it will not give you any bad smell in your mouth. Third feature of this tablet is it contains some amount of peppermint. So peppermint, once again, it camouflages the garlic smell and also it is beneficial for controlling high BP. It always brings down the high BP to normal level. And sometimes some people say that they can take whole garlic directly, but that taking whole garlic directly is also not solving the purpose, because it is scientifically seen that unless garlic is pressed, chewed or crushed, allicin is not going to be released from it. You will not get benefits of allicin unless you chew it, press it or crush it or mince it. So this is the best option for taking required amount of allicin is taking garlic tablet. With this, I think you might have understood the power of garlic for supporting our heart health and how we should take garlic, how we should consume it, in which form it is more beneficial for our heart health. With this, I would like to finish my presentation today. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Have a good day. Take care of your heart. See you in next session.